In our community and in all the world, a green spirit has been growing because we need to protect our planet that is being affected in many ways. One of the most serious ways in which we are affecting our planet is deforestation, that is not a new and that in the last 50 years has rapidly increased. Deforestation is the action of cutting trees in forests permanently to use the land for other uses. It has many reasons why we do it. Some examples are to clean the land, to create houses or urbanization, that with the fast increase of population growth every year we need more space to live in. It is also done to create more items with the wood that is extracted, such as paper or furniture, to sell in markets. Another reason is to extract ingredients that many trees produces, such as the oil from palm trees. Deforestation causes many problems that affect all the world. Firstly, we lose green areas that takes a lot of time to grow again, affecting the oxygen level of the planet. Secondly, it affects the atmosphere because it affects the carbon dioxide storage that trees has. Or even worse, when trees die, all the carbon dioxide accumulated in their structure and it is then released, causing a huge problem to all living things. The ecosystem of forests can change significantly, affecting the change of nature events, for example, the loss of species that can lead to a species extinction, because the 70% of the planets and animals that live in forests are losing their habitats. Also, it can affect the water cycle and the soil erosion, which causes a decrease in the quality of human life. There are many ways to solve this problem. One way is by simply planting more trees, or we try to decrease the cutting of trees. This will help, but will not solve all the problem. By doing this, we will restore the ecosystem in many different ways, such as helping the water cycle and the wildlife, by creating more habitats for the animals, and by reducing the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Secondly, we can create a green awareness by doing campaigns promoting a change and by showing all the destructions we humans have done. For example, in relation to the topic of deforestation. Thirdly, all countries can create a worldwide law to stop deforestation and to force companies to have a green standard to protect our planet. While it is true deforestation is necessary because of the constant increase in population in our societies, I firmly believe that deforestation causes an impact that is much more severe than the benefits that it can bring. Because by making forests disappear, we affect not only the local wildlife but all the world by releasing carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. So, we need to create a green community and to stop cutting trees to protect our great planet.